Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Blazor for VFX finishing workflows, complete guides. Open your web browser. Navigate to the Blazor login page. You can find the URL in your project documentation or by contacting your administrator. Once the page loads, look for the login form. Enter your username in the designated field. Ensure that you use the correct case, as usernames are often case sensitive. Next, move to the password field. Type in your password carefully. If you are unsure of your password, click the Forgot Password link to reset it. After entering your credentials, double-check them for accuracy. Look for the Login button on the page. Click on the Login button to proceed. Wait for the page to load after submitting your login information. If your credentials are correct, you will be redirected to the main dashboard. In case of a login error, review the error message provided. Make sure your internet connection is stable if you encounter issues. If problems persist, consider reaching out to your IT support for assistance. Once on the dashboard, familiarize yourself with the interface. Explore the different sections relevant to VFX finishing workflows. You are now ready to begin working within the Blazor environment. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.